In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to use your on-camera flash and get the best results. I see a lot of people struggle with this. Some people have asked me on my Instagram, other people have sent me messages about it. I've had photographers ask me, and it's really not that hard. I really love using flash when I need to use it, if I feel like I need to use it. And I have found that some people have a really hard time really getting those beautiful shots with on-camera flash. Let's go. I'm showing you with my Profoto A10. I started with the Yongnuo, then I moved up to the V1s, and now I have Profoto. So whatever you have, use this to guide you for your next session because you're really about to learn something new. So walk with me. I'm getting ready to photograph a cake-off. I am photographing the DuckDuckGo all-staff meeting. This is my second year, and I hope to return for the third. And right now they're having an activity, cake-off. I'm gonna show you how simple this is. You're gonna be like, what? I'm using the Canon R5 Mark II, and I have the 15 to 35 RF lens with my Profoto. Here is the one thing you want to learn and remember about using your flash on camera. It has worked for me over the years, and I know it's gonna work for you. I keep my settings on TTL, ETTL on some flashes, automatic. If you want the cheat code, cheat sheet version of it, I keep it there. 95% of my sessions of the events that I cover, I'm covering them on automatic mode. The only thing that I'm concerning myself with are my camera settings because those are really what are going to matter. Another thing that I like to do, I move my flash around. That's what it's for. You swivel. You're always finding places to bounce your light off of, and that's going to be the key to getting the types of portraits that I'm showing you in this video. And if you have any questions about the type of camera settings that I use, check the link in the description box because you're going to find my go-to camera settings for my flash that I actually give out to my second photographers, and it's worked for them. They love it, I love it, and it's the clean look that I'm looking for and beautiful, beautiful images. So I hope you learned something today. That's the trick. I'll see you next time.